Hello, this problem is find AF. It's this bisector. Let's call this AF X. At first, angle BDE is small x. We can name it. Here x, and automatically this is x. Black dot and x makes 90 degrees. Then this is black dot, and here 90 degrees. So this angle is small x. Then triangle AFD is isosceles triangle. Then bisector AD is also x. Triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. So AB equal AC. Here this is 10 minus x. Is x plus 4. So x plus 4 is 10 minus x. 2x is 6. X is 3 centimeter. Thank you. Hello. This problem is find the area of shaded triangle AFG. ABCD is square. This angle and this angle makes 90 degrees. Here 90. So angle BAF is small x. Here 90 degrees. So angle BCG is small dot. AB equal BC. So we can find triangle ABF is congruent to triangle BCG. So AF is BG. BG is 8. And BF equals CG. CG is 5, so BF is 5 centimeter. Here 5. This means bisector FG is 3 centimeter. Here 3. So triangle AFG is 3 by 8 by 1 over 2 is 12 square centimeters. Thank you.